Okay, how do you start with your PyCharm project or Flask? The very easiest way to do this is you create a new project. You can actually create a Flask project. Yes, you can do your Python project, but we do it with Flask. That will just make our life that much easier. So what we see in here is a number of items that we need to carefully take care of. So we can here put our project name, whatever you want, obviously. The important part is also we have a virtual environment. It's a place where we create our environment that has all our libraries, etc. together. Very important here is select a base interpreter. This means you have to already install Python for yourself before. You can also select one from files if necessary, but it should already be found for you. This is Linux, so it has looks a little bit different than you would when you are using Windows, but it should find all the interpreters. Then you could use your template language and stuff like that. So, and when you create this, you should have a it should create a Flask project for you, including a virtual environment. This will take a little bit because it will have to download everything from the internet, basically. Okay, yes, there is a bug in my system that tries to install it as admin. I don't want to install it as the admin, and it's not necessary at all. You should not have this issue, but if you do, you can just say, okay, I don't want admin. Go to settings. And then when we go to our project, this is helpfully because I didn't give it a name. Go to the interpreter and we say, okay, actually we want to add Flask here. So we just, the available packages is way too many. So we do the search. That one has Flask, and we just press Flask, and that should install it. But somehow it wants to install it as local or as an admin thing. I don't know exactly what's wrong with that. In this case, I can just go to the terminal. So pip install Flask, and that should just do the correct things directly. And when we now look at the project, we should actually see Flask has appeared now in our virtual environment. So why it doesn't want to do this properly in the first place, I'm not. Maybe because it uses Python from our base non-admin or admin. But in any case, this works. Now we can run our project. Fairly simple, and that's running, and click on this Get to Web. And from there you get started. Okay, thank you very much.